Take out each part, clearly identified as to what they are. CBB pole, black, there's a black pole. I'm going to take that out and stick it to the box. Next are the sliding rings, which when we put the poles to the bases, they go on the bottom of them as an attachment, but we'll come to that down the line. As you can see, this is the black base, this is base 1, they'll be attached to the pole shortly. We'll unwrap that again, clearly identified, and there's another one that we'll take out of the box shortly. You can see we've emptied the packaging, the poles that were clearly identified, two sliding rings, again identified, and we've undone the bases where the boxes were. The bases come with the cover, which is black, and the base itself, the weight, and also comes with a box of fixings. So that's what you get in each box. Within there, you get a fixing, threadbare, wrench to do it, washers, and there's some instructions in there, which then we'll now go through and how to fix the poles to the bases. Base, the thread, spring, and a washer. So your spring goes on first, followed by your washer. This then goes underneath through the hole. You can see there, that's where the hole is. Push that through. That's then secured into the base, which then fits over like so. You just do that there. Then from there, it's your black washer, which will say this way up. Fits over the top there, and then you screw your nut on. You just take that off if you want, just to get that nice and tight. This way up, you then place your sliding ring over there, and then we're going to fit the post to the base. So now it's just a case of screwing your post in, and again, if you just want to get a little bit of tension, lean it over onto the bolt, just stops it moving, and that now is nice and secure. Your sliding ring is meant to have a little bit of tension because that then moves with your cross pole when it's on. Okay? So we've unwrapped the crossbars, and basically these connect together to give you a full crossbar. So anytime, depending on what size crossbar you want to go for, you get this base, which is 1200mm, and you get the extender, which is in this case 300mm, which will give you your 1500 overall. Different extenders for different size cross rails if you've got a large cross rail, etc. So what you do is, if you look, you have a hole there, runs through your cross rail, and basically if you put those in like that, you can see now the holes line up, and then we're going to fix them with the Allen key and the fixings that we have. See your clip, we're going to extend it at the bottom, find your sliding ring, there we go, bring that across, and just slide that across here, and you can see and then that's on. See, so we have a double-sided barrier cover. So you see it's got a pole pocket there, which will sleeve over, unhook here, sleeve it across, which we'll do now, and then we'll show you how to put the bottom rail on. The creases that are in there at the moment will drop out once they're hung, and over a little period of time they'll drop right out, and we'll do that now, okay? So we're going to literally take that, unhook that, sleeve this over, and then you just feed it over feeding. Easy with 2 people, but 1 person can do it. Just connect that on, and then what we'll do is, once we get the bottom rail on, I'll show you how easy it is and straighten it all out. All we're going to do is just bring that up, nice and easy. Your thumb inside, and it's just a case of feeding that through. Again, much easier with 2 people, but you can do it with 1. They'll poke through, and then it's just a case of connecting your connectors to the bottom. Just straighten it up. Once you've got it nice and straight, much easier just to line up. Look at that to drop out. Just get that there. That's that one, and we'll just do the other side. You can see your sliding ring moves, so that gives you that flexibility. Just do the same here. And there you go. Just even that up a little bit.